我们给许多知名的企业提供了优质的服务，双方建立了友好的合作关系。像国内的美的空调、军工燎原、闽乐管业、汽车比亚迪等企业，国外的日本大川经罗、土耳其 Huichengsheng 等外企，合作期间也收到许多客户的反馈与祝福。
我々の高度な技術要求である強制ガス冷却装置というものを、積極的に協力いただいて設計制作していただいたことをすごい感謝しております。結果的にはうまくいかなかったんですけれども、その後も清水冷に積極的にすぐ変えてくれましたり、あと設備が完成後にいろいろなハプニングが起こったんですけれども、御社の従業員、全員嫌な顔せず全面的に協力いただいて無事設備が完成することができました。今後とも御社の設備をどんどん増やしていきたいとも考えてますし、長く付き合っていきたいと思ってますので、今後ともよろしくお願いします。いろいろありがとうございました。
I hope everything goes well for you and you're doing great. Actually, I want to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude, for your high quality standards centering furnaces. I really admire your dedication and your adherence to the quality standards and excellent after sales service. They have made our equipment and their operation so smoothly. We're deeply impressed by the fact that you always give us the support and technical support, and always when we have problem, you're always online and you give us those technical supports, whether it's on holiday or I don't know, maybe it is 10 p.m. 11 p.m. we always receive prompt and accurate responses from you. Thank you for your outstanding services. We look forward to continuing this fruitful business relation with you. Actually, in 2025, we hope that Huichengsheng to have greater, business and greater success as always.